Hey guys, welcome to Midastouchbybasira. I am your girl Basira, alright? And this is going to be my last elemental read for this full moon in Pisces on September 20th, 2021 for my air signs, alright? For my air signs. I had to get me a glass of wine for y'all because that water, fire, and earth, baby. Okay? They definitely had the energy going. Let me just go ahead and get this going. Excuse me. It's just a little wine. So yes. Air signs, air signs, air signs, air signs. Hi, air signs. Hopefully y'all are doing good on tonight or whenever you watch this for the full moon in Pisces. All right, we got 3 more months in 2021. All right, we busting through 2022, getting ready, getting riled up. We are going into fall harvest season. I've been meaning to say that in the other elemental reads, but it hasn't came out. So listen, air signs, harvest season, okay? Make sure you tapping into the fall energy, whether you're decorating your home with fall things, just changing the feng shui, bringing in pumpkins, and y'all know the little basket. Y'all know what I'm bringing in fall elements, and be looking for your harvest, all seeds that you have sown in the beginning of the year. Be looking for your manifestation. Be looking for the manifestations of your work, okay? Whatever seeds you sowed, all right? I do offer, if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. If you're watching on Instagram, go over to my YouTube, Midastouchbybasira. And if you are watching me on YouTube, please go over to Instagram and follow me on Instagram. It is Midastouchbybasira. Okay? I do offer personal readings. I do 30-minute and 60-minute readings, which all of the information will be listed in the description box below. Go to my link tree and all of that will be you'll be able to schedule yourself. I am also a Reiki master. All right, I do Reiki, but as of right now, I am not scheduling or taking any clients for Reiki as of right now. Well, why you mention it? Because when I do start offering, open it back up and start scheduling sessions, I want you guys to already know about it. I don't want it to be the first time that you heard of me doing Reiki. Okay. This new moon energy for you, I don't know. Let's see. I'm hearing healing. Healing. The final stages of healing is what I'm hearing, and also harvest is what I'm hearing for you. Air signs. Air. So I call upon the angels, the ancestors of the highest wildlife, the spirit guides and guardian angels, like I said, to the God, goddess, and creator, to arrange yourself in these cards. Give us the messages for the air signs for this full moon in Pisces. What information or energy do they need to know about going forward? Please know that you can take advantage of any full moon or new moon energy 3 days before and 3 days after the actual date of the full moon, okay? So if you didn't know that it was a full moon today, you can still take advantage of the energy tomorrow and the day afterwards. Now, you have air somewhere in your charts, like I've been telling everybody else. Make sure that you're getting your natal chart pulled to see where your where your placement is, okay? It may not always be in your sun, your moon, or your rising. It could be placed somewhere else. And listen, you have other elements as well, so you can go and listen to some of the earth, the fire, and the water signs to see if any of the messages that was put out for them, it could resonate for you too because of the placement in your chart. Okay? All right. If you do need to switch around the storyline, please feel free. You know your situation. You know if the reading resonates with you. All right. And even if you watch this video later on, whether it be next week or 2 months or next year, if you click on this video, then that means the message is for you, okay? Regardless of the timing of it. My readings are meant to be timeless, okay? Also, I am not just a love-based channel. I read energy, so whatever cards Spirit arranges to come out, I read the energy, and that's just what it is. If love comes out, then that's what it is. If finances come out, I've seen the devil card twice. I've seen the devil card twice in this pre-shuffle. If I lost my train of thought. I don't know what I was saying. Yeah. All right. So for the air signs, one more shuffle. What information or energy spirit that you need to give to the air signs? All right, air signs. What we got? Spirit, please arrange yourself. Give us clear and precise messages for the air signs for this full moon, September 20th. Or whenever the person is watching this. What information would you like the air signs to know for this full moon? Air signs. We got the Ace of Cups, and we have the Seven of Pentacles. Damn, we got the Seven of Swords. Things is just being brought to the light during this full moon. Seriously. We got two aces out on the board right up under each other. Seven could be relevant to you. The number 7. What's the Seven of Pentacles? That's too many cards, Spirit. Please, one at a time. What is the Seven of Pentacles? Seven of Pentacles. We also have Mercury going into retrograde on the 27th, September 27th as well. Be mindful of that. What is this Seven of Pentacles? Clarify the Seven of Pentacles, please. Ooh, that flew out. Okay, we got the Ten of Cups. And for the Seven of... These same cards is trying to pop out. I'm not going to take it. Let me just see. Let me see the Seven of Swords. What is the Seven of Swords, Spirit? What is the Seven of Swords? Clarify the Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. One card at a time. Clear, precise messages. Seven of Swords. Clarify the Seven of Swords. What is this energy? Who is this person? The Wheel of Fortune. With the Five of Cups. With the Four of Swords. With the Two of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see. We have the Ace of Cups here. We have the Ace of Cups. Clarifying the Ace of Cups is the Ace of Pentacles. All right. We have the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Ten of Cups, clarifying the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Seven of Swords. And then clarifying the Seven of Swords is the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. On the bottom of the deck, we have the Five of Cups. Sorry, guys. I'm just reading the energy really quickly. Give me a second, please. I really feel like Spirit is trying to give you... I really feel like Spirit is trying to grant you wish fulfillment. Okay. Here it is. I got it. Sorry. Okay, here we go. So, Spirit is trying to grant you and give you your wish fulfillment. They are trying to give you your harvest, bless you with your harvest of the great work or the deeds that you did in the beginning of the year or even last year. You understand? I'm feeling like there's a situation that you need to move forward from. Dealing with love, matters of the heart. Okay, here's why I say that, because remember I said we have the 7. Now you could be seeing 777, 77, or the number 7 popping up on your time, on your charger, on license plates. So pay attention. That could be relevant to someone, some air sign. But I feel like this 7 of Swords and this 5 of Cups, that Spirit is trying to move you from this energy of this sadness, but all you can see and pay attention to is this 3 cups that has fell over. You still have opportunity. See this 2 of Cups that's still standing up, but you're so focused on the 3 of Cups that is falling down, and this is how the card was placed. You're moving forward, but you're looking back at this old energy. This is a sense of sadness or disappointment about how a situation could have ended, whether in a family dynamic, in a romantic relationship dynamic. Spirit is saying it's time for you to rest and let that energy go, because they are wanting to bless you and give you the harvest of your seeds that you have planted. That is the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Harvest meaning love fulfillment, also financial fulfillment as well. You have put in some work, okay? And they're saying to keep on working, whether it be building your business, whether it be spiritual work, whether it be just self-enlightenment and reflecting. You have been putting in some work, and you're taking a pause, a break to evaluate how much work you have done. And they're saying that you have done a lot. So much so that they're ready to give you your wish to fulfillment. The 10 of Cups, a family, blessing your home life. You understand? Man, woman, children, if that is what you desire. You got the Wheel of Fortune here, meaning timing. It is time. The Wheel of Fortune is talking about timing. I feel like at the latter part, towards the end part of this year, which we have 3 more months, you're able to see this. It's timing. All of the work that you did. I'm hearing a year ago. There was a lot of work that you did 12 months ago, a year ago. It is, and you have maybe got the energy, kind of got like depressed, or kind of like, oh, this won't happen to me, having negative thoughts about what you've done in the past and not seeing the reward. Spirit said it was in my divine timing, and the divine timing is now, coming up within now or within the next 3 months. Things is going to be happening at the end of this year, but you have to make sure that you are allowing yourself and allowing Spirit to help you come out of this energy. All is not lost. Yes, there was 3 cups that was spilled over. There was opportunities that was missed. But look, you have 2 cups still standing right behind you. Move away from it. Truly move away from it. Don't just take the actions to try to move away, but actually move your energy away from it as well. There's going to be a lot of dreams and a lot of things that's happening while you're sleeping to help you recharge and to move away from the energy, okay? Also, okay, so we got the 2 of Pentacles. The 2 of Pentacles meaning you've been trying to balance it all out. They're highlighting this river back here. You understand? Meaning unstable emotions, or trying to keep it stable. They said clearer waters is approaching you, is what I'm feeling from this card. No longer will you have to be in indecision or up and down about your emotions or in your thought process. If you allow Spirit to actually come in and help you with this, you can have it will be the death of that old cycle, meaning because it is time for it all to be over with. It is transformation season within your inner self, so you can then, like I said, reap the benefits. You're in harvest season. How do I know that? Because the Knight of Cups is here. Remember the 2 cups that we talked about that was still standing? Stay out of the negative thought process or the negative emotions, because this Knight of Cups is trying to come. Someone is going to offer you something, or you will be able to find someone to offer something to. You understand what I'm saying? But you got to lay your burdens down. You have to lay the burdens down. Just let it go. Don't put too much on yourself. Don't take on too many tasks from people, places, or things. You understand what I'm saying? Stay out of the energy of being burdened. Stay out of the energy of being burdened. That is definitely what I am feeling from this reading. Justice is here as well, meaning that scales will be balanced. And it's all in divine timing. And just so happened the divine timing is now, within now and December of 2021. You will reap or see some type of fulfillment or some type of reward for work that you've already done in the past. The past meaning like a year ago. You must have been really putting in a lot of work, all right? And you kind of got discouraged. But they're saying that it's coming. They're saying that it's definitely coming. You got really good cards. So you got 2 aces on the board. The Ace of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles. Spirit is giving you love, self-love, and then also bringing love into your life, giving you finances. You're manifesting finances because you're building. Yes, you've taken a break and you're trying to reevaluate. Spirit is going to show you and grade you. Yes, you got an A+. But you got to stay out of this energy right here, acting like you moving forward, but not actually moving your energy forward as well. Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. That's what I'm feeling. Yeah. Let's get an oracle card to clarify or get the final message for the air signs. Let's see what they say. Letting go of things that does not serve you any longer. A majority of all of my elemental reads has been talking about mental stagnation, dealing with the mind. We are in Aquarius season. You understand? Air signs, you rule over the mind and thought process. So changing the way you think about things or changing your perspective. Like I said, you got the 5 of Cups. 3 cups was tilted, but you still had 2 standing. Focus on the 2 cups that is still standing. Because look, Spirit is trying to give it to you. There's a whole bunch in them cups. Y'all done had me put my cards down from shuffling. Change your perspective. And maybe you may not have necessarily had negative thoughts, but there's a better way of thinking about a situation. There is a higher vibrational thought process that you need to avail yourself of. One more shuffle. Angelic realm, what is the final message for the air signs concerning this particular read? Give them some guidance, please. I'm done and I'm tired. I'm tired of reading. That's too many cards. This card came out. Who did this card come out for? This is Purification and Detoxification. It's time to release physical and energetic toxins from your life. You can't make this shit up. You can't make it up. Who else got this card? Either fire signs or water signs got the same oracle card. This is what is being brought up during this full moon. Okay? It's the garnet. Let's read the garnet for you to get you some guidance. It says this card probably validates what you already been sensing. It's time to release physical and energetic toxins from your life. In particular, this is necessary change to support your health. What's the first thing that comes to mind to detox? Perhaps you have been receiving inner divine guidance to enjoy a clean energy diet or abstain from chemicals. Or maybe you are feeling called to avoid harsh energy in relationships, on social media, in your daily activities, or in media. This is a supportive time for you to make this helpful shift. Reach out for qualified help. If addictions are creating uncontrollable cravings, prayers can also help you purify your motivation and intentions so that they are inspired from your higher self instead of your ego. With higher vibrational intentions, your manifestations will be more fulfilled and satisfying. Okay? Seeking out help. So yeah, this card came out for Cancer. So you may want to go watch the Cancer elemental reading that I'll be posting tonight for the new moon. And you may find that some of the messages that's in that reading will resonate for you, air signs, okay? Because they got this exact same card. It will also be good for you to maybe find you a garnet crystal. If you have one, carry it during this time. If you don't have one, go to your local crystal store and cop you a garnet, okay? This is not a time for harsh energy, whether it be outside of yourself or within yourself. Remember that four of swords came out, talking about recharge and recovering your energy. So that means if you need to take a break from social media, do so. If you need to take a break from family, do so. If you need to take a break from a relationship, do so. For your mental health, for your spiritual health, for your emotional health. Okay? Taking on a higher vibrational thought process is what I'm feeling from this oracle card, okay? Purification and detoxification. It's time to release physical and energetic toxins from your life. It's time to let it all go. Why? It's time to let it all go so you can then bring in what spirit is trying to give you to reap what you have already sown. Yes, it's time. Okay? So hopefully this message was encouraging and enlightening for you, air signs. If you do want a personal reading, I am open. I offer 30 and 60-minute readings. Like I said, thank you for watching my videos and liking and subscribing and watching to the end. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you click that little bell so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming on or posting a new video. All right. I'm trying to do my best to be consistent with these elemental reads and with just reads, period. Remember, these are collective reads. So if you want more personal insight, schedule you a personal reading. Okay? And then we can dive into what really needs to be tackled on a personal level. Alrighty? So thank y'all for y'all support. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a great full moon. And I'll see y'all soon. Have a good one. Bye.